Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Pi Cryptocurrency Basics course, Pi Crypto FAQs. If you have not done so yet, please click the link below and download the Pi app. In this lesson I am going to answer all the other questions that people usually ask. How does this app work? How do I earn more Pi? The Pi app allows you to earn Pi coins by making simple contributions to the Pi community. So, how do I contribute to the community? The first thing you will need to do is to help us grow the Pi community. All you need to do is to download the Pi app and start earning Pi coins immediately. The second thing will be to invite your circle of friends so that the community gets bigger. The more you contribute, the more Pi you earn. To start earning Pi, check in every 24 hours and hit the lightning button to start mining. The lightning button is highlighted in red on the picture displayed on the screen. After 3 days of mining, you can boost your earnings more by building your security circle. The circle contributes to the overall security of the network. Please take note, earlier members of the network mine at a higher rate than those that come after them. Next question. What happens if I close the app on my mobile? Nothing will happen and the app will continue mining soon to be valuable Pi coins. Pi does not affect your phone performance nor drain the battery or use your network data. Really? How can you mine a cryptocurrency without draining your battery or data? Pi works different than other cryptos such as Bitcoin. Instead of burning energy as a proof of work, Pi secures its ledger when members vouch for each other as trustworthy. This forms a network of interlocking, security circles that determines who can execute transactions. This novel approach allows crypto mining on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections. Nothing to pay for or buy and no battery drain, no financial costs. Why do earlier members mine at a higher rate? Pi aims to be the world's most widely used and distributed cryptocurrency. To achieve that goal, Pi incentivizes its earliest members to make contributions that will ensure its success. To reflect the importance of early contributions, the rate of mining decreases as more people join the network. What is the ambassador role? How does the earning team work? As an ambassador, you earn up to a 25% bonus on your base mining rate for each person you invite to the network. How does one become an ambassador? You become an ambassador when new members join your earning team by using your invitation code when they sign up for Pi Network. What is the contributor role? How do I become a contributor? Becoming a contributor allows you to earn more Pi by building a security circle of 3 to 5 trusted members. Pi's contributor role becomes unlocked for users after you've finished 3 mining sessions as a pioneer. After 3 days of mining, you will see a new icon of the security circle on the home screen of the app which you can click to start. To become a contributor, you need to add 3 to 5 people who you trust to your security circle. What are security circles? Security circles are groups of 3 to 5 trusted people built by each of Pi's members. Security circles secure the currency by building a global trust graph that prevents bad actors from executing fraudulent transactions. What is the value of Pi? Today Pi is worth approximately $0 for now, similar to Bitcoin in 2008. Pi's value will be backed by the time, attention, goods, and services offered by other members of the network. Can I withdraw my Pi? What is the timeline for withdrawals? No, you cannot withdraw Pi yet. You will be able to withdraw Pi or exchange Pi for other currencies in Phase 3 of the project. By then Pi would have transitioned to a fully decentralized blockchain. When will Pi be worth something? Pi's holders will be able to turn Pi into real money when they either purchase goods and services on Pi's marketplace or exchange Pi for fiat currency. Can I mine from more than one device? How does the network prevent fake accounts, bots, etc. from earning Pi? No, you cannot mine from more than one device. The network has a strict rule of 1 account per person. Pi uses a multi-pronged strategy to ensure Pi is not mined by fake accounts. Is this app a wallet? Will we hold our own private and public keys? And can we use an external wallet to hold our Pi in the future? Yes, your phones will serve as a cryptocurrency wallet that will be linked to your current accounts. Is the cryptocurrency Pi a good investment? Pi is not a good investment as yet. The Pi project is in its third phase and only time will tell if it will be a good investment or not. How many Pi network coins are there? There are currently over 20 million coins out there and more coins are mined every second. What is the expected value going to be? Different analysts says different things, but Pi coins have no value yet. What does it do differently to other mobile cryptos? It does not cost anything to mine and does not affect performance of your phone. Is mining Pi cryptocurrency worth it? Absolutely. Bitcoin started exactly like this and the Pi team has learned from its mistakes. When will Pi cryptocurrency be monetized? There is currently an invitation sent out to all developers to develop apps that can be sold for Pi coins. Is Pi digital currency safe? Pi is 100% safe and thousands of people are joining the community daily. How does Pi network cryptocurrency work? You simply download the app and start mining cryptocurrency. Pi network is safe to download and does not use data or battery. What is the price prediction of the Pi network in 2025? There are many predictions all over the internet. It is best to start mining Pi and let's see what the future brings. Will Pi coin cross $5 in 2025? Some analysts expect more than that, but I will rather continue mining and wait for 2025. What do you think about Pi coin? I think it's great initiative which will benefit the masses if it comes to fruition. Is the Pi network coin listed? The Pi coin is not listed yet as it is still in its project phase. How good is the Pi network cryptocurrency in India? Pi is the same regardless of where one is. Is Pi cryptocurrency worth mining? If so, will I ever make any profits in the future? Pi cryptocurrency is worth it to mine and it is possible that it will be worth something in the future. How to get a Pi invitation code? There is no official invitation code. You need to be invited by a friend or someone who is already mining. Feel free to use the invitation code, Mr. Bill 2021, and let's get your share of the Pi. When will Pi coins enter the market? Pi coin will enter the market as soon as all project phases are successfully completed. Why is Pi network giving away Pi coins for free? Pi coins are currently free in order to entice more people to join the Pi community. Is the core team from the Pi network legitimate or are they fake? They are legitimate and hard-working university PhDs. Can I transfer a Pi coin to someone? You can transfer Pi coins to anyone during testing. What should I do with Pi mining when I want to change my cell phone? You will need your passphrase, which must be known only to you. This enable you access to your wallet regardless of the device. Will the Pi network be the next big thing in cryptocurrency? Absolutely. Pi network has been touted by all analysts to become the best thing ever. What is the mainnet that the Pi network is talking about? Mainnet is the term used to describe when a blockchain protocol is fully developed and deployed. Should I invest in Pi instead of Bitcoin? Invest in both at the right time when Pi is listed on crypto exchanges. How can I get an invite code for Pi cryptocurrency for an iPhone? You can get an invite from a friend or you can use Mr. Bill 2021. What is the invitation code for Pi network? There is no official invitation code. You need to be invited by a friend or someone who is already mining. Feel free to use the invitation code, Mr. Bill 2021, and let's get your share of the Pi. What is KYC slots in the Pi network? KYC stand for Know Your Customer. What's the catch with Pi network mining? There is no catch with Pi network mining, but the advantages far outweighs the skepticism. So how exactly Pi coin could be used in reality? It could be used exactly like the Bitcoin. Where can we track the total Pi coin supply? Join the Pi community and you will be the first to hear of any updates.